In this video, we'll walk you through customizing your Shopify cart page to enhance your customers' shopping experience. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. Next, click on Customize to enter the theme customizer. Once in the theme customizer, select the cart page to begin customizing it. Next, click on Payments to access the payment settings. Shopify has already designed the cart page for you, but here you can adjust the colors and layout to fit your store's branding. If you know some programming, you can also add custom CSS to further personalize the cart page. However, remember that customers usually don't stay on the cart page for long, so keep the design as simple as possible. A clean and minimal layout helps prevent decision fatigue and cart abandonment. You can add a FAQ section to answer any common questions and reassure your customers about their purchase. Alternatively, you can add related products to encourage customers to continue shopping and increase your sales. Once you're happy with the customizations, make sure to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully customized your cart page. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.